gonna be a quick video about meal prep. I've been getting a lot of comments from people saying, oh, it's so hard to meal prep and do all this stuff. It's like, really, you just gotta set time aside for it, because really, you shouldn't be having a meal prep more than 2 times a week if you're making these big batches of food that you're just gonna portion out to take to work. 1, it's gonna save you a lot of money. 2, it's gonna be much better tasting food than probably where you're going to pick this stuff up and paying like 15 bucks for a meal or 25 bucks if you're like going out to a restaurant. I know people aren't really going to restaurants right now, but I mean, you could still order pickup or takeout and all that. So it's like, at the end of the day, like, you could put so much money towards making your own foods that is gonna go in such a better way to getting you on your diet goals, or just to either have more money or just be eating better in general. So it's just some things to think about. But a lot of people make a lot of excuses as to why they can't do it. It's like, just do it, because really at the end of the day, like, put an hour aside maybe twice a week and you'll have enough food to last like the week, really, like either for breakfast, lunch, dinner, anything. Like, depending on how much food you're making and all that, it's like the best thing you could ever be doing. So stop making excuses why you can't do it, and just seriously, like, it's the best thing you'll ever do. Anyways, don't feed the zombies. Have a good one.